Hello! Fall is coming up, and so I was really inspired just doing some leaves and apples, kind of getting back to the basics. So I thought, why not turn this into a learning video? So here we go. I'm working in my Pentalic Aqua Journal, and I'm just going to sketch out my leaves and apples, speed this up, and then I'll break back in when we're ready to put some color to it. Okay, so I think I've got it roughly sketched in to where I'm ready to start painting. We'll just go in with the yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up, and you can follow along, and I will break in when something important needs to be said. So I'm just going to come in and do some negative painting with some Payne's Gray, where I'm just going to go and add in the shadows into the darker areas. All right. This is just the first layer, so it's honestly gonna look like a hot mess at first. And so I'm gonna let this completely dry and then come back and we'll start building in more details. So I'm ready to put on my second layer, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with some of the leaves back here, just blocking in some of the shading. And then I'll work on my apples. So I'm going to speed this up and I'll break in with something important. I'm actually really liking that. I'm probably going to do a little splashy splash. You don't need to do splashes on yours if you don't want to. I like splashes every now and then, so here I'm going to come in with a micron brush pen in brown and add in some fine line details. So I hope you're looking forward to autumn as much as I am. I want to thank you for watching. You can watch this video up here for more tutorials. And I will see you in the next one.